In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change server name on Discord. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can update your server's name with confidence and keep everything organized. First, head to the server you want to rename. On desktop, look at the left sidebar and select the server's icon to open it. On mobile, tap the server icon from your server list. Make sure you're inside the correct server before you proceed, especially if you manage more than one. Next, click the server name at the top left. This is the label that appears above your channel list on desktop, and it opens a small drop-down menu with several options related to your server. If you're on mobile, the server name appears at the top of the screen. Tapping it will show a similar menu. From that menu, choose Server Settings. This takes you to the control center for your server, where you can make changes that affect how your community looks and feels. You'll see a sidebar of categories to help you find what you need. In the Settings sidebar, go to Server Profile. This is the section where the visual identity of your server lives, including the name, icon, and sometimes the banner. It's the right place to adjust how your server appears to members. Here, you can change the name. Click into the server name field and type the new name you want. Keep it clear and recognizable so members know they're in the right place. Short descriptive names tend to work best, and you can use emojis if they fit your community's vibe. Avoid sharing any personal or sensitive information in the name, and remember that simpler names are easier to search and reference in conversations. As you edit, you'll see how the new name will look. Make sure it matches your server's purpose and tone, whether that's a study group, a gaming hub, or a professional community. If you collaborate with others, it's a good idea to agree on a naming format beforehand to keep things consistent across multiple servers. Once you're happy with the new name, you're all set. Your server's name will update for everyone, helping members instantly recognize where they are and what the space is about. That's all. You've navigated to your server, opened the menu by clicking the server name, entered server settings, selected server profile, and updated the name. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your freshly renamed server.